Hey there, today we have a really exciting person here, Lesley, to talk about 2018, the trends to help you to make a better purchase for your flower shop or for your purchase for 2018. Coming up. Hey Lesley, thank you for coming to join us.
Yeah, super excited.
Yeah, thank you so much to join our channel. I know you've been going to overseas and buying to see all the factory and see all the trends. You can share with our viewer about the 2018 to help them to make a better purchase.
Well, a lot of things that I've been seeing, you kind of got to look at the difference between a trend and a fad. And you want to incorporate a little bit of both. Trends are something that's going to stick around for a while and be a really solid investment for your shop. And it's something that can carry forward over from garden, spring, into Christmas as well. So you don't have to pack it up and lose money on storage. A lot of trends that I've been seeing are natural materials, a lot of bark, a lot of wood, a lot of faux naturals, mixed in with some of the man-made like concrete and metallics. Metallics are still huge, especially a lot of the warm colors.
It's more neutral colors too, eh?
It is, yeah, very much of a neutral base. I think the younger generation is starting to embrace color a little bit more, so we're starting to see pops of it, but it really hasn't been that much accepted with the entire general public.
That's good information. So what else?
Plants are a huge trend right now for indoor gardening, whether it be for the holidays or for garden. A lot of hanging containers, a lot of macrame has been coming back, that 70s vibe.
Wow, yeah,
they're embracing the retro look, which has kind of been around in the Christmas for a little while with that like turquoisey green, blue color.
I love that color.
Yeah. And so now actually when I was walking market, I saw a lot of minty green, like a sea glass type of green coming in a lot of themes.
With the lighter colors.
Exactly, really soft, really subtle, but with a shine to it. The metallics and the iridescent pearlescent looks.
Wow, that's really good look. So I have another question. What is the, when you see the container, what is the trends of the container? Because right now we can see some of the gold, some of the colors is really bright, and a lot of texture. What is the trend for 2018?
That's pretty much it. It's like I said, you know, with the whole natural materials and the metallics, we're just bringing those in different textures, different finishes. It's really hot to mix the metals right now, so we're seeing a lot of scapes where you're having like a brassy gold mixed with a silver or a pewter, and bringing all of those together. So really all the containers that I've seen, they're simple, they're clean, and they really showcase whatever you put in them.
Oh, that's nice, nice. So this few years I've been using Pantone for my choice of buying. Can you share with the viewer what is the Pantone for 2018? What's the Pantone color?
The Pantone color is ultraviolet, which is a gorgeous color. It's a really rich, deep purple. What I've found with buying for a company is that when the Pantone's introduced, it doesn't catch on right away. So sometimes a lot of people are out looking for that Pantone color for that season, but I found that once it's been in the market for 2 years or so is really when it catches on. If you remember that emerald green color was really big a few years ago, that's coming back. Marsala was hated for a while, but now you're seeing that sneak in everywhere. So I think the best way for a floral shop to bring in the Pantone colors is to still stick to the trending containers, but bring it in the florals themselves. Orchids.
Bring a small amount to introduce to your customer or to your consumer. They will understand you are in trends. Not just only you want to show what is selling, you want to sell what is future selling.
Right, and you have to slowly introduce it to the public, because the more they see it, the more comfortable they become.
I remember a long time ago we were using a Pantone color. Actually didn't make it to our flower shop to the consumer after 2 years. Because they don't understand at first. It's probably too much for them. So I think it's good to know what is the trends coming.
Exactly. Especially like since we're going from a really clean, crisp green color from the greenery, and now all of a sudden is this bold purple. It's going to take everyone a little while to adjust.
Oh, thank you so much today,
it's so exciting.
To helping our channel and for the viewer. And hopefully you learn something for the 2018 trends. And thank you so much, Lesley.
Thank you.
See you guys later.
Bye.
If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friend and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.